Good morning, students. The battle of COVID 19 is still not over, and this can be won together. So, all we need to take some basic precautions. Always wear your mask properly. Don't touch your eyes and nose, mouth unnecessary. Wash your hands with soap more frequently for at least 20 seconds or sanitize it. Avoid participating in large and social gatherings. So let us start our topic, that is noise and music, chapter 13, class 8. So first of all, let us discuss about the noise. So it is a sound that is unpleasant to hear, that is known as noise. For example, sound produced by vehicles. We hear different types of sound in our daily life. Some of these sound are unpleasant to hear, whereas other sound are pleasant to hear. The unpleasant sound around us are called noise, and noise produced by the irregular vibration of sound producing source. Some of the examples of noise are running of mixer, grinder in the kitchen produce noise, blowing of on of motor vehicles, bursting of crackers, barking of dog, shattering of glass, taking off, landing and flying of aeroplanes. These are the various sound that is coming from construction site. These are the voice sources that produces the noise. Now next is music. It is a sound that is pleasant to hear. For example, the sound coming out of the musical instrument that is pleasant, so we can say that it is a music. The sound which are pleasant to hear are called musical sound. Musical sound are produced by the regular vibration of sound producing source. Some of the example of musical sound are as follows. The string of sitar makes regular vibration, so a sitar produces musical sound. The sound produced by harmonium is also a musical sound. In fact, all the musical instruments like sitar, veena, guitar, violin, piano, flute, they produce musical sound. The speaker of radio, stereo system and television also produce musical sound. When a person sings a melodious song, he also produces musical sound. We enjoy the musical sound produced by the musical instrument or the strings or the singers because they give a pleasant sensation in our ears. Now the next topic is noise pollution. The presence of excessive loud, unwanted or unbearable sound to our ears. Sound in the environment is called noise pollution. For example, sound of vehicles, explosion including bursting of crackers, machine, loudspeakers, television with high volume loudspeaker, etc. These are the examples of noise pollution. Now the next topic is harms of noise pollution. Due to the noise pollution, many types of health related problems occurs such as lack of sleep, hypertension, loss of hearing, anxiety. Sound above the 80 decibel is very painful to hear. A person who is exposed to loud sound continuously may get permanent or temporary impairment of hearing or loss of hearing. Excessive loud sound is harmful to us. The presence of excessive noise in the surrounding may causes many health related disorders, and these are loud noise can causes great harm of our ears. Loud noise can cause a person to lose concentration in his work or study. Loud noise can cause ailment called hypertension. Loud noise can causes irritation and headache. Loud noise during night time disturb our sleep and continue lack of sleep is bad for health. Next is measures to control the noise pollution. Noise pollution can be controlled by taking following steps. First is TV, radio or loudspeakers should be played at low volume by installing high quality silencing devices in vehicles, aircraft, engines, industrial machine and home appliances. We should not use loud vehicles horns. Noise producing industries should be set up away from residential area. Trees absorb sound, so plantation of trees should be done along the roadside and around buildings. Awareness campaign and noisy operations should be done to make people aware about harmful effect of noise pollution and measures to control the noise pollution. Next topic is hearing impairment. There are many reasons for hearing disability. Some people is born with poor hearing and partial hearing loss is generally done due to illness, ear infection or old age. Partial hearing is loss can also be causes by noise pollution. A person having a partial hearing loss can hear sound properly by using hearing aid. Hearing aid is a small sound amplifying device that worn by ear. Partially deaf person. There are many instances in the world where even totally deaf person have made great achievement in various fields and live normal life. You might be surprised to know that most deaf people can still hear some sound. Deaf people often use a sign language with their hands to communicate with others effectively. Let us revise what we have done today. And your first question is, which pollution causes hearing loss in the organism? Option A, air pollution. Option B, noise pollution. Option C, water pollution. Option D, soil pollution. And the correct answer is option B, noise pollution. Question second, music is option A, pleasant sound, option B, unpleasant sound, option C, frequent sound, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, pleasant sound. Question third is noise is option A, an unwanted noise, option B, an irritant, option C, a source of stress, and option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question 4. Research suggested that noise pollution is the highest in dash income neighborhoods. Option A, low, option B, medium, option C, higher, and option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option A, low. Practice makes perfect. So students, it's time to practice and your practice homework are on your screen. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.